here comes Task Claus, happy and free, bringing holiday cheer for you and for me. Shout it out loud so the whole world can see. Task Claus is coming. Yippee.
Hey everybody, this is Task Claus back for the 12 days of Spidermas. So what we're going to do is review 12 different gift ideas for 124 spiders, and the budget is going to range from a couple under $50 ideas into the hundreds, and at the top end around $1,000 to $1,100. So we're going to go through a wide variety of price options, and I want to add, these are all mods that we have on at least one of our 3 124s. So I'm presenting them on the basis of me having used them on our cars and me feeling that they're worthy of recommendation. So we are going to start off with many people's very first mod. As a matter of fact, this is kind of a gateway mod because once you buy one, you want to get more. And this is the Stubby Antenna. Instead of that big, long, thin OEM antenna, this is direct fit. It's made specifically for the 124. This is an under $50 gift idea. Now, full disclosure, if you live out in the country and you rely on your radio for sound, especially if you're in mountains, maybe not the best idea because your radio reception will be slightly degraded. However, if you're in a suburban area, urban area, and that's where you do most of your driving, and if you use a radio, you won't really notice the reception go down very much. And if you're like most of us, where you don't use your radio for your music, you use alternative ways of getting songs, this won't affect your ability to enjoy music at all. So, as I said, this is a gateway mod here. You buy this one, you're gonna end up buying more, just the way it works. Okay, and here is another under $50 gift idea. The anodized Billet Oll Cap. You can get them in red or black with this Abarth logo, Scorpion, or without it. And then let's take a look at how we open the hood in the first place. Saxy still has the stock hood strut here. You brace it open, and notice especially how high up that lid goes. And now compared to Itsy, her lid opens by herself. Look how much higher it goes. So when you're working in the engine bay, you have a lot more room. This is all because, I don't know how well you can see it here, she has on a Cobalt dual hood lift kit. For this one, you have to go to MAXPider and look up the modern, the MX5 ND. Just search for Cobalt dual hood lift kit, and you'll get this, another gift idea under $50. This is really, I love these. If you work on your engine, you do your own, like you change your own oil, change your own spark plugs, get one of these. Not only does it look better if you go to car shows, but when you're under the hood, you have so much more headroom. It really makes it easier to work on your car. Okay, and now we have the Spider Dome half dome car cover. Protects your top from the elements. Especially useful if you have to park it outside all day long, or you can't put it in a garage or carport at home. And while it protects the top from the elements, it also has an added benefit that we discovered quite by accident, but I swear it works constantly. If you have cats in your neighborhood, they love to get up on top of your car and sleep there. You wake up in the morning and see little paw prints going across your hood or trunk up to the top, and not a good thing, because you don't want those cats to be kneading in their sleep. They like to knead their claws and stuff. It can damage your top. And we've discovered, and this is what we use ours for, because we keep our cars underneath a carport or in a garage, but we got these specifically because of cats. You put these on and cats do not like to sleep on them. So I know it sounds weird, but if we have a cat that decides it wants to start sleeping on our car again, we'll just throw these on for 3 or 4 days in a row, and the cats go away because they don't like sleeping on the car top anymore. So whether you're doing it to protect your top from the elements or from cats, both reasons work. Here's one for your trunk, and it's a WeatherTech cargo liner. Laser measured and designed perfectly to fit that depression in your trunk. This will protect your cargo area in case you have something spill, or you're just hauling something with dirt. This literally just lifts out and is very easy to clean. Next one is a turbo blanket. What that does is help keep the hot side of your turbo hot and the cold side of your turbo cold. They've actually done research on it. Some engineering students at a university in Texas, I forget which one, did a study on this and proved conclusively that a turbo blanket will slightly improve the efficiency of your turbo, and you will get a very small performance boost from using it. You won't notice any huge improvement, but there is small percentages involved here. So you can get these red, black, or a neutral color, and very easy to install. You just need ratchet sockets, and you can put this on in 15 minutes. And then we have, somewhat dirty right now, we've been driving it a lot, the 3D MAXPider Kagu floor mats. Now, I've done a video on why I use these and prefer these over the WeatherTech floor mats. It's very simple. These stay in place. I've tried 2 different sets of WeatherTechs, and they got to where they would slide around under my feet, and if you have a manual transmission, that is just not good to have happen. We've had these for about 3 or 4 years now. I absolutely love them. Highly recommend them if you're looking for a way to protect the your floor lining. And as a matter of fact, I like these so much, I put them on Saxy too. I can't show you on my car. I used to have them on my car, but then I upgraded to full coilovers. And I'm talking about lowering springs. If you want to put lowering springs on your car, I recommend Progress Technology. They have almost identical spring rates as iBox. However, they consistently lower your car about ½ an inch farther than iBox do. So when you buy the car stock, or if you still have the stock springs on, you probably have a pretty good sized wheel gap between the top of your tire and your fender. Now they won't drop this low because, again, I have coilovers on them. But the Progress Technologies on all 4 of my wheels, I got an 1.5 inch drop. Significantly reduced the wheel gap. Lowering your car makes it better able to handle turns. It looks better, and because these are a kind of moderately designed lowering spring, they aren't just pure race lowering spring. They do not degrade your ride very much. So you will feel bumps a little bit more, but not very much. And you will get improved performance and handling, and it's going to make your car look nicer too. You can see that tricolora tower strut brace. This originally was blue and aluminum colored. It's a Cusco front strut brace. One caveat: if you don't have an Abarth, in order to install this, you have to buy the engine cowl kit so that you get the stock Abarth engine cowl. The reason being, the Lisso Urbana Classica engine cowl does not have these two studs on that you need to secure your tower brace. So along with buying the Cusco tower brace, you need to get the engine cowl from the Abarth to replace your stock engine cowl. What this does is make your cornering ability a bit better. These were actually designed for McPherson's front struts, and we don't have McPherson's. However, they still help share the load from one side of the car to the other. Not quite as effective as on McPherson front struts. However, they will improve your handling, and especially if you do canyon runs or twisty roads like Tail of the Dragon or Twisted Sisters, or you take it to the track. This is a valuable addition in your line of performance mods. And again, these are normally aluminum color with blue ends. I had mine powder coated to match my tricolor color theme on the car. Now we have the Madness GoPedal Plus. This is the controller puck. You can also control it through your phone if you want to use your smartphone. Okay, the actual device is down here. I have it mounted on the side down there. This is a throttle controller. It doesn't add horsepower, but it adds tons of personality to your car because it electronically advances your throttle response. And so when you mash the pedal, your car responds much more rapidly than if you have it turned off. The advantage of these is that you get multiple adjustment points, as well as, to me this is the big selling point, you get a valet mode and a protect mode. So if you're going to leave the car, like say at an airport, you're going on a 3-day trip, you're leaving your car in the garage, before you get out of your car, you put it in protect mode, take the puck with you, and that disables your pedal. So if somebody manages to break in your car and get it started, it won't go anywhere because your accelerator does absolutely nothing. And then valet mode is what you'd expect from a valet mode. Unlike some competitors though, this limits the RPMs your engine will go up to. So you can set it to where it only goes to 2,000 RPMs. You could set it to where it only goes 3,000 RPMs or whatever. You can adjust it to, if you're leaving it with a valet, leaving it with a mechanic because you want to get the tires rotated or something like that, you can put it in valet mode so they can't take it out for a spin and try to see what the car can do and accidentally hurt your motor. And this is going to be hard to see on our car. I have an install video and a couple sound videos, but I'm talking about the Catback Performance Monza exhaust. They come standard with quad tips. I changed mine out to dual tips, which you can do when you order them. Order them on the phone and just ask them to get quad tips, or meaning to get dual tips instead of quad tips. If you have an Abarth, the quad tips fit these cutouts perfectly. If you have an Urbana, Lisso, or Classica, you may want to opt for the dual tips because they just fit that cutout slot a little bit better, and you get a better look from it. The performance pipes are non-resonated if it's a Monza. If it's the Lisso, it's resonated. Just depends on how much sound you want. If you get the non-resonated, you will add a lot of sound. Maybe too much for you. If you're worried about how much sound you're going to get, opt for the Lusso version and get the mid-pipe resonator. That will dampen the amount of sound you hear. The advantage of these pipes is they're larger diameter than what you have stock, so it allows your engine to breathe a little better and enhances the performance. Okay, can you see them in there? The Wilwood big brake front brake kit. These are 4 pots. If you want to spend even more money, you can get 6 pots. But the difference is the rotors are bigger than stock. They're like 12.18 inches, I believe. So you can see how much better they fill out the wheel well. And let's see, we'll compare this to, here's Cerisi, Abby's car. And you can see the rotors aren't quite as big. Now we also have these. We have these on Saxy as well. Actually, when we bought Saxy, they were already on Saxy. So the rotors are a little bit bigger, and the biggest advantage is you get more braking power. If you go on a set of roads like Twisted Sisters, or you're on a track day to where you're braking really hard for many minutes in a row, you'll find that the stock brakes, more than adequate for normal driving, when you put them under sustained heavy use, will start to fade. And that's not a good thing to be going into turns at high speed and have your brakes fade on you. So by switching to a Wilwood big brake front kit, you'll eliminate that problem, and you'll be able to drive with confidence braking into turns all day long or all track session. So there you have it. 12 different gift ideas for the 12 days of Spidermas. Now, I don't think you're going to go out and buy a different gift for every day. If you do, you're going to make somebody extremely happy, and whatever spider they get put on, very happy as well. But I tried to give you gifts that range from under 50 for those of you on a budget, or even just looking for a stocking stuffer, to gifts that go all the way up to $1,000 or more for somebody who wants to splurge a little bit, and other products in between. No matter whether you buy 1, buy 12, or buy none, these are all mods I highly recommend for your vehicles. We have them on our cars. I've tested them. I'm extremely happy with how they perform, and I think you will too. So, for Drop Top Tees, this is Tazzaclaus. Merry Christmas.
Forget the sleigh, he doesn't need it. Got a bag of joy, you best believe it. He zips around with a smile so bright, turning every dark day into light. Oh, here comes Tazzaclaus, happy and free, bringing holiday cheer for you and for me. Shout it out loud so the whole world can see. Tazzaclaus is coming, yippee. He doesn't care if you've been bad or good, just wants you happy, it's understood.